so sorry for not posting videos like constantly. Yeah, excuse. But today we're doing our first wave installation. Yes, this is my first time, not first time, but like this is going to be our first time doing a wave installation. So I am still trying out to do a wave installation. So it's the one to come and join it, but guys, please bear with me with not posting frequently, not posting videos all the time. I cannot complain. I work. Yeah, when I get seven, so yeah, I am so sorry. So did I say yes, for not mumbling too much, because I am mumbling. So let's just get into the video. Guys, I'm just gonna do 2 layers because wow, I'm fighting footy load shedding because it's gonna strike again at 7. So I'm trying to be fast. So guys, I went off camera just to try and lay this weave. Guys, but come on, I haven't laid it, you see, still lifting it. Okay, you know what, let me go off camera and try and lay this weave. Okay, then I'll come back. So yes guys, I went off camera to go and lay this weave because it wasn't doing on camera. So yeah, I have a fit. Good ref. Good ref. Guys, y'all should have told us hey, because wow, get it wow, okay? Yo. I take this so I can put in your phone. I take this and put in the foundation or concealer. Because we'll tell line up with movie. Look at the mirror again. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, we have done it. But then I am so scared to take out this thing. I am so scared. I don't know why, but I am so scared. I'm so scared. Like, honestly, I'm so scared. This is the part that I was so scared of. This part. Oh my god. Oh god. Okay, it looks like it's been laid, but I am so scared to come like close up in person. Now let me just go and check myself in the mirror and then I'll come back. Okay, guys, I am so happy. Like, I am honestly happy. This weave has been laid. It's been laid. Okay, it's been laid. Okay, it's been laid. It's laid. Like, it's laid. So, yes, guys, we have come to the end of the video. Yes, I am so in love with my inspo. Like, I did a very good job. I did not do any baby hairs because the girl is too afraid to do any. So we're gonna go with this look for now, and then masangi we do baby hairs. Okay, but for now I am happy with this installation. Sorry, I'm happy with this installation. So yes, guys, if you love this installation, please comment down below. Please don't be afraid to leave a comment, and also leave a thumbs up. Yeah, this is the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. I love you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also leave a thumbs up, and also leave that bell notification on so that you can be notified every time I post a new video. So nonetheless, I'm seeing smoke. I'm like, hey, what's going on? So then it's my straightener. So nonetheless, guys, thank you for watching this video.